Does your basement get wet every time it rains? Don't wait for the inevitable flood. Maybe it's time to call Klein Basement Systems.
We had a very wet basement. I called 3 different companies. Klein by far was the best price. Klein did a superior job. They completely dried up our basement.
Right now, get easy financing with no payment for a year for a dry basement with a lifetime guarantee, and get no payment for a year.
Klein Bath and Basement Systems. It's time to call Klein.